Hey guys, it's been 3 years since Samsung last launched a pure fitness tracker. Now we are very much come from that a new one on the way. And this is the first look and last video we are also talk about that. And it will be called Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. And we have now seen the official use of the Fit 3 name. And it's also come from other few things the upcoming tracker such as its model number SMR390 and that will be come with Bluetooth 5.3 supported and is certified by SIG. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 can be seen in a grey, gold and black color. We do not know much about the technical specification of the Galaxy Fit 3. It still Fit 2 has a 1.1-inch full color AMOLED screen. Of course, it's also featuring display notification and music player control from the paired smartphone. The Galaxy Fit 3 is obviously much bigger OLED display. There is a physical button on the right edge along with a microphone. The button at has a power button. The fitness tracker has a boxy design with a rounded corners so it would not hurt when you put it on for long hour. By looking at the back, the Galaxy Fit 3 we also notice a heart rate monitor sensor and docking connection. Although Fit 3 looks slimmer than the Fit 2, it might also include the GPS sensor that the older model leaked. We also might be expect built-in memory for storage and stand-alone music player well is not connected to the phone. Fit 2 was released at $59 3 years ago. However, Fit 3 looks like more expensive tracker. As for a release date and price that is also unknown, we have a leak image now. Given that the Galaxy S24 lineup is only a little over a month away, it's possible we could be see the Galaxy Fit 3 launch with the new flagship devices and the Galaxy S24 Ultra hands-on image and all the specifications are already leaked. Check this video to learn more about Galaxy S24 series and if you found this video informative make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.